Recently in tech, introducing Mojo, a new programming language that's a superset of Python. It's designed with a speed and lower level optimization in mind. It's not open source yet, but it's on the horizon. Now you can sign up to a waitlist to get the access. Mojo comes from Modular, a company that's also giving us tools to simplify AI development, including a unified approach to PyTorch and TensorFlow. Mojo language designer Chris Latner previously created Swift programming language and LLVM tools. The launch of Angular version 16 has addressed several long-standing pain points, reduced verbosity and introduced features like signals you may already know from other web frameworks. OpenAI, known for ChatGPT, has released Point-E. This tool can create simple 3D models just from a text prompt, and it is available on GitHub. Tech advancements are happening now so fast they are like inflation. You blink and there is something new. See the description for more info and links. Talk to you in the comment section. Bye!